What's up, guys? Today we got something a little bit different than what we normally do. You know, we're all fans of the Snap-on 14.4 stuff, and we just happen to have a 14.4 battery. You guys ever wondered what's inside of a Snap-on battery? Let's take them apart. Take a look. Come on. All right, guys, what we have is a Snap-on 14.4 battery and an 18-volt battery. So let's tear into these things and see what's inside of them.
We'll start with 18-volt first. A nice solid circuit board there. Oh, she still got some juice to it.
How many batteries is in that?
10.
You got an 18.6. Yeah, here's one.
Yeah, let's do 18.650s.
Pull it open. They're shorter, looks like.
I don't know, that might be.
Oh, that may be. These are 18.650s that we use in our mods, and they're 3.7 volts a piece. So let's take a look at it and see, because the batteries are junk anyway.
Let's get destructive.
Let's see it, Wally.
See if I can do this.
Reckon Hamilton will warranty that?
Oh no. We can put it back in there, he'll never know.
I'll never know.
Never know. Hopefully not. Oh,
There you go.
one went. Oh, I punctured the sail. Oopsie.
Good job.
Ooh, I released the smoke.
Well, there's the man himself.
Yeah.
Is that under warranty?
Oh, we warranty an out over here? I got a socket in there. Oh, you get that out in a minute. I'll get it out here in a minute. Don't worry about that.
Well, we think it's 18.650s, and
We're about to find out.
he done punctured one of the sails and let the smoke out of it.
Yeah, he showed up did a second ago.
I said, you reckon that's under warranty? That's what it
They're
looks
flat
like.
tops.
I think that's the same thing.
Except for the scratches.
Yep. 18.650s. Wonder if it sells what voltage them are. Right there.
87,655.
You reckon Milwaukee's tore open a Snap-on battery before?
I'm sure there've been a bunch of them tore on. I imagine.
I bet so too. I bet Snap-on has tore open some Milwaukee batteries, and I bet Milwaukee's tore open some Snap-on batteries.
DeWalt and everything. Wonder which one I let the smoke out up. There it was, right there.
Yep.
Whoops. Let's figure out how the deuce we can get this thing open.
So we know it's got two going long ways this way, and two going up and down.
Hey. That's what I thought. Hey, them are legit.
Samsung's.
Them are 25Rs if I'm not mistaken.
Yep, 18.650s.
Yeah, I knew Samsung made them. I ain't sure about these. Yeah, what y'all's is?
I think so. Yeah, I think. Yeah, 20R.
Mm-hmm.
Them are 25Rs what I got.
Them are 2,500 milliamp, and these are 2,000 milliamp, which why they're 2.0 batteries. So it's got two this way, and then two running up and down inside the handle. So it's four 18.650s.
And it looks like a series parallel. Two in series, two in parallel for the 14.4. I wonder if you just got one dead cell or if they're all trash.
Well, the old ones was 7.4 volts, right?
Yep.
So they was running two 18650s then. And the 14.4s, they just doubled them to make it. Yeah, that's cool. All right, guys. So that is what's inside a Snap-on 14.4 and a Snap-on 18 volt.
Let me see if I can get that thing open. Because I want to see the board on this one if I can.
Wow. How about that? They just glued them in there.
Yeah, 18650 20Rs.
Well, that's good to know that they don't use some cheap knockoffs in there.
I'm going to have to use my battery charger to see if I can get them to charge up individually.
There you go. All right, guys. So there you see it. That's what lives inside of your Snap-on batteries. So
Destruction at its finest.
there you go. Like always, check the links in the description. Cool tools, discount codes, t-shirt links. All right, guys. So now we're gonna probably blow up a battery if I had to guess. So
sweet.
Thanks for watching. Like always, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up and click that subscribe button. It's totally free. Now
maybe
what are we
can
gonna
do some more of this stuff.
What are we gonna do now?
Well, we got to get back to work, but that's the after hours project right there.
Boom! Go!